How can I use AI to make money? You can use AI to make extra money or replace your current income. Here are 5 high-performing ways that are actually working right now to make money. Number 1. Make helpful GPT tools that are in high demand and sell them online. Number 2. Build and monetize a blog around a topic that you already know a lot about. Number 3. Design Pinterest pins and sell recipes, cookbooks, or how-to manuals. AI can write those too. Number 4. AI can create great YouTube video scripts, create how-to, comparison, or review videos, and link to your own products or affiliate products. And number 5. AI can help create books of inspirational quotes, recipes, fun facts that you can sell on Etsy. The best place to start is with what you already know and love. Start with your ideas, experiences, and know-how, and use my free GPT tool to find the perfect money-making idea for you. You can access my free niche